Well, what is a planet? So, this is where we experience the demise and indeed the demotion of Pluto as a planet. So listen up. Discovery of hundreds. So we spoke about the trans-Neptunian objects, how we started discovering them, and Pluto is one of them. And we thought that Pluto was the 9th planet. But then, after discovering hundreds of trans-Neptunian objects, one of them larger than Pluto, caused astronomers to ask both the specific question, is Pluto a planet? And the more general question, what is a planet? In 2006, the International Astronomical Union, IAU, approved. So, are you guys ready for it? Are you guys ready for this dramatic finding? Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I can't get distracted. Okay. Thank you, Stephen. Thank you, Stephen. The discovery of hundreds of trans-Neptunian objects, one of them larger than Pluto, called Eris is larger than Pluto, caused astronomers to ask both the specific question, is Pluto a planet? And also the more general question, well, what is a planet? In 2006, the International Astronomical Union, IAU, there's a union for this, approved a definition of the word planet that seemed to the majority of astronomers, I'm sure they fought a lot. So if you think we're about to fight in this chat, you don't know astronomers. I'm sure they fought. To the majority of astronomers who voted on the issue, so they voted on the issue of whether this is a planet or not, or what is a planet rather, the most useful way of defining that word, according to the IAU definition, an object within the solar system is a planet if the following requirements are fulfilled. Can we get 20 likes? It is in orbit around the sun and is not a satellite of another planet. So, number one requirement to be a planet in the solar system. It has to be in orbit around the sun and not a satellite of another planet. Makes sense, not a moon. Number two, it has sufficient mass for its self-gravity to overcome its compressional strength and thus assume a spherical or spheroidal shape in hydrostatic equilibrium. So it has sufficient self-gravity to be spherical, spherical, nice sphere, or spheroidal. Number three, it has cleared its orbital neighborhood. This criterion is sometimes referred to as orbital dominance. It has cleared, so number three requirement to be a planet is that it has cleared its orbital neighborhood. Orbital neighborhood. This criterion is sometimes referred to as orbital dominance. Yes, orbital dominance. Can we please like the live? The 4 terrestrial planets and 4 Jovian planets. So we talked about the 4 terrestrial rocky metallic planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. And the 4 Jovian planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. 4 plus 4 is 8. There